Hey mate, it looks like it's unlocked from inside. You can just open it from outside. Oh yeah, finally it's done. It was not too bad. Oh god.
Guys, welcome back. Today we'll show you how to unlock a locked car or a truck in less than a minute time. If you like the video, please subscribe to us and also give us a thumbs up. And what we are showing today is a real situation. A truck came up to our driveway today morning, and so it was blocking the driveway. The driver got locked out, and we used some tools to unlock the truck. See the video.
As you can see, these are some of the tools those guys who came to unlock the door used today. So that's like a wedge pump, and there are some tools they have actually used. It comes in a particular kit. So you can see he used a plastic wedge to push inside in between the door frame and the door to create an opening. So you can see where that hand is pointing. There is a 2 centimeter opening which is created by the wedge, and through that opening he pushed that tool inside. So you can see that's like a tool which has rubber on either side. So that's actually like a hook which they can use to actually position towards the car or the truck lock and pull it backwards so it unlocks. Once it is unlocked, you can open up the door from outside. So you can see he's trying to find the position, and I was helping him from outside to show. See, that's where the unlock happens. You can see that moved, and that's now it's unlocked. We'll show it again. So he positioned it on the lock and pushes it backwards, and it's unlocked right now. And from the door handle outside, he can actually open up the door, and the wedge will fall down. You can see as it opens, the wedge falls down, and finally it's done. And the driver was so happy because he was stuck there for almost like 2 hours to get this sorted. And it's a UD truck, as you can see, and these are the people who came to help us. It was on top of a hill, so on a cul-de-sac, and it was actually blocking my driveway as well, so I couldn't travel outside. So I was stuck home for a while, so I can't, because I can't move the car. But finally it's done. Thanks for watching.